In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add testimonials to your Upwork profile. Adding testimonials is a great way to boost your credibility and showcase your skills through the words of those who have benefited from your work. So let's dive in and walk through each step to make your profile shine. First, open your web browser and head over to the Upwork homepage. You're going to need to navigate to your profile, so ensure you're logged in with your account credentials. Once you're on the homepage, move your attention to the top right corner of the page. You should see your profile picture or an avatar. Go ahead and click on it. After clicking your profile icon, a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, look for the option labeled Your Profile and select it. This will direct you to your Upwork profile page where you can view and edit various aspects of your profile. Now that you're on your profile page, start scrolling down through your profile sections and keep an eye out for the testimonials section. It's usually located after your portfolio and skills sections. Once you find it, you'll notice a small plus icon. Click on that plus icon to proceed. Next, you'll be prompted to request a client testimonial. Click on this option, which will take you to a page where you can enter your client's details. Here's where you need to provide some information that will help Upwork reach out to your client for a testimonial. Start by filling in the client's first name and last name. This is basic information but important for personalization. The next field you'll need to complete is the business email address of your client. Ensure this is a valid and active email, as Upwork will use it to send the testimonial request. Moving on, you'll be asked to input your client's LinkedIn profile. This can add an additional layer of credibility to the testimonial process. It's an optional step, but if your client has a LinkedIn profile, it's a good idea to include it. Further down, you'll find fields for your client's title and project type. Again, these are optional, but they can add context to the testimonial. It's worthwhile to consider including these details to paint a fuller picture of your professional relationship and the nature of the work you did together. Finally, you'll want to personalize the message that will be sent to your client. In this field, you can thank them for their collaboration and kindly request their feedback. Once you're satisfied with your message and you've reviewed all the details, click on Request Testimonial. And there you have it. With these steps, you're all set to enhance your Upwork profile with meaningful testimonials from your clients, showcasing the quality and impact of your work. All right, keep those testimonials coming and watch your freelancing success grow. Happy connecting, and until next time, keep excelling.